Welcome to today's video, where we will discuss why starting an LLC can be beneficial for entrepreneurs, as well as guide you through the process of obtaining an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for your LLC in the state of Delaware. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer looking to establish your legal entity, this video will provide you with valuable insights and a step-by-step guide. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the details of starting an LLC in Delaware and obtaining an EIN, let's first understand why you should consider forming an LLC in the first place. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the main reasons to start an LLC is the limited liability protection it offers. By forming an LLC, you create a separate legal entity that shields your personal assets from the debts and liabilities of the business. This means that if your LLC incurs debts or faces legal issues, your personal assets such as your home or savings are generally protected. 2. Credibility and professionalism. Establishing an LLC can enhance your business's credibility and professionalism. Having LLC in your business name shows clients and customers that you're a legitimate, registered entity. It can also provide a sense of trust and confidence in your brand, potentially attracting more customers and business opportunities. 3. Tax flexibility. Another advantage of an LLC is its tax flexibility. By default, LLCs are considered pass-through entities for tax purposes. This means that the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the owners and reported on their individual tax returns. LLCs also have the option to elect corporate taxation if it aligns better with their financial goals. 4. Operational flexibility. LLCs offer operational flexibility compared to other business structures. They have fewer formalities and paperwork requirements, making it easier to manage and operate. Additionally, an LLC allows you to define the internal structure, management, and ownership of the company as per your specific needs and agreements. Now that you understand the benefits of starting an LLC, let's dive into the step-by-step process of forming an LLC in the state of Delaware. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC. Ensure that the name you select is unique and complies with Delaware's naming requirements. You can check the availability of your chosen name on the Delaware Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Delaware must have a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. You can either act as your own registered agent or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 3. File the Certificate of Formation. To officially form your LLC, you need to file a document called the Certificate of Formation with the Delaware Secretary of State. This document contains essential information about your LLC, such as the name, registered agent details, and the purpose of your business. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While an operating agreement is not required by the state of Delaware, it's highly recommended to have one in place. An operating agreement outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps clarify the rights and responsibilities of the members and provides a framework for decision-making. Step 5. Obtain an EIN from the IRS. After successfully forming your LLC, it's time to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is a unique identifier for your business, similar to a Social Security number. It's necessary for tax filings, hiring employees, opening business bank accounts, and more. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of obtaining an EIN for your Delaware LLC. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. Ensure that you're eligible to apply for an EIN. Generally, most businesses with employees or those that are required to file specific tax forms need an EIN. You can check the IRS website for detailed eligibility criteria. Step 2. Complete the application. To apply for an EIN, you'll need to complete the IRS Form SS4. You can download this form from the IRS website or apply online through their Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS, website. Step 3. Provide required information. The application requires you to provide specific information about your LLC, such as the legal name, mailing address, type of entity, and the reason for applying. Ensure that you accurately fill out all the necessary details. Step 4. Submit the application. Once you've completed the application, review it carefully to avoid any errors. Then, submit the form either online or by mail, depending on your preferred method. The IRS will process your application and assign an EIN to your LLC. Step 5. Receive and store your EIN. After successfully obtaining an EIN, the IRS will issue you a confirmation letter or provide the EIN directly on the online application portal. Make sure to store this letter or document in a safe place, as you'll need it for various business-related activities. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC in Delaware and obtained an EIN. You're now ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey with confidence and legal protection. Starting an LLC in Delaware offers numerous benefits, including limited liability protection, credibility, tax flexibility, and operational freedom. By following the step-by-step process outlined in this video, you can establish your LLC and obtain an EIN with relative ease. Remember to consult with a legal or tax professional for personalized advice and ensure compliance with the latest regulations. Best of luck with your new LLC, and thank you for watching. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.